to drink. He loves to drink the last of the watering hole. Thank you very much. It's the start of the dry season. And dry season at this time is very polluted. Yeah, but our journey starts in the forest. Where he is teeming. Well, where he is teeming, there's also other predators. He's an old one. He's actually our newest member of the videos. We also have a Spinosaurus, too. And here's our old one. He runs away from the new. He's never seen that Tyrannosaurus before. And this one is almost twice as on. But there's also other predators. And over here in the desert, we see this Gastonia. And this Utahraptor fighting. And Gastonia gets up and uses his big razor-sharp tail. But Utahraptor is stunned. He runs away. This is actually another news member, and so is the Utahraptor. His name is Ute. Newt. He's a male Utahraptor. This is Gary. She is a female Gastonia, and she is walking in the forest. But she gets attacked from a T-Rex. And he gets away from because he's seen a sharp tail. He's walking away. But then, a huge Apatosaurus comes and ruins the party. He's actually the size of a T-Rex. He's not as sharp-eyed. He's more sharp-eyed, and he can smell and he can see. And he has 3 long, 8-inch claws on his hands. And he has serrated teeth. He's gonna try to kill Kathy Gastonia. But he runs away because he hears something even better. And it's a Tyrannosaurus. A Spinosaurus will be on the next episode, and so will our Allosaurus. Goodbye.